CyreneAI and welcome to CyreneAI Builders Bootcamp. Today we have Sudeep from Ludex AI and Sayush from Nova AI, and we also have a Web2 builder, Noel, who is a product manager at Rebel Foods. So guys, please introduce yourself. Sudeep,
So
start
hi,
from you.
yeah, I'll go first. So hi, I'm Sudeep, and I'm the founder of Ludex AI. We're an AI game builder and launchpad where anyone can build, launch, and monetize games. And we've been working in partnership with Nua AI and Cyrene AI to create the entire user experience for our creators, from building to publicly launching the game, hosting the game, adding on-chain mechanics to it, and then fundraising on Cyrene AI. So yeah, super excited to help Noel build his first game today. And yeah, over to you, Sayuj.
GM guys, I'm Sayuj. I'm the CEO of Noah. So as you guys already know, we've actually partnered up with Cyrene and we've done quite a lot of campaigns together. And then I think this is the second builder week. Last week was fun as well, where Sadeep actually launched his own token called VBird. But just for the viewers who haven't heard about Noah, Noah is an AI-powered no-code tool that lets you build out fully functional on-chain applications on Solana just by chatting with it. So really excited on what we have in store for the upcoming few minutes, few hours with Noel. Yeah, thanks for having us, Sarin.
So I'll probably introduce myself as well. So hi guys, I am Noel, a product manager at Rebel Foods. You might have heard of Behrouz Biryani, Yawan Story, Fasos, a lot of different brands that we run and operate. So I have had some experience building Web2 applications uh, that I myself use and for the company I work for. But I have very limited experience building Web3 applications and games, even more limited experience. And I'm very excited to see how someone who's coming from a Web2 background can actually enter the space seamlessly and build something that they've been envisioning for some while now. So this is very exciting for me. This is entering a new space, getting to do different stuff, getting my hands dirty with some real projects. So I'm really excited to take this team forward.
Great, great. So today in this stream, our agenda is to help Noel to build his first game using Ludo. So, Noel, have you thought about anything that you wanted to build? Let's just start with a discussion about what we are thinking to build on the stream.
I I have some idea. Like I wanted to build something that is a little nostalgic, something I've played growing up, something I can play on my tab, on my iPad, on my phone, no matter where I go. So when I thought of some games like that, a few came to my mind, but one annoying game stuck with me, and I think we can build something around Fruit Ninja. See how that goes.
Nice.
Something a little modification of it.
I used to play that a lot back in school, man. That was quite addictive, to be honest.
I mean, my mom still plays it. I don't know what to say. I think that's a good idea, Noel, because that's the beauty of Ludex AI. You can take any old Web2 classic and you can tweak it the way you want it, right? You can add so many different things. We can actually give a different kind of theme to this game. So, I mean, depending on your ideas, I'm just going to guide you through it. But yeah, super excited for you to bring your idea to real life now. And yeah, let's start with it.
Also,
Yeah, I
welcome
think
to
then,
Crypto.
So
Yeah.
thank you so much. Thank you so
yeah.
much for
So I
having me here.
think
Really excited.
yes. So I think we can start building the game. So we have decided build a Fruit Ninja, but are we also thinking of some twist of Fruit Ninja for Web3?
Sudeep, what do you think? Can
We
we
can
add?
also yeah, we can also add some tweaks because I believe like no AI can support that.
Yes, yes,
What
absolutely.
I mean, on the top of my head, I could probably think that maybe we can create mini version of Fruit Ninja, and we can add a live leaderboard, which basically tracks the scores of all the players that are playing the game. And based on that, maybe at the end of the week, the top three players get some X amount of tokens that Noel decides because he's the developer now, right? But yeah, again, I think he has full freedom to build the game that he wants, and I think with CyreneAI's help as well, he'll be able to launch a token for it, and we'll be able to help raise him some capital for that. And with Noah AI as well, I think the leaderboard function is super super important, and that's what we get through being partners with Noah AI. I mean, a lot of like different features that usually an early stage company like us doesn't have. So that's where we're very thankful to them. But yeah, let's go from
Okay.
the building stage to launching it instantly, and then we're gonna start pushing it on X, and then we'll help you raise some
Can do,
capital.
can do. So this makes complete sense to me. Since it was an old-time classic, we'll add a little twist to it. It's like moving from mocktails to cocktails. We become adults now. We need a little payout for the games that we work with. So how
Yeah.
do you want to go about this? We start with the prop first, build on Noah, or we start a
So
project on Cyrene, let the folks know that we are.
so currently, like let's look at the baby steps here. Let's focus on the building part first, and then once we've built the game, we'll launch a token on CyreneAI, and I think Ashish will be able to help you with setting everything up there. But yeah, let's follow the building process, then we'll
Yeah.
publish it, and then fundraising after that.
Makes sense. What we can
Yeah.
do is,
Let's start
What
with
I suggest
token.
is like yeah, what I was suggesting is like let's also make the people aware like we are building this. So anybody who wanted to also see how this building process works, they know. So we can make an announcement that on today's stream, Noel will be building a Fruit Ninja game. So I think we can start doing that. You can then we can make the announcement in public, and you can that Fruit Ninja game you will be on Sarine, and after building is complete, you will raise on Sarine. So you can share the screen, register on
can do that
Sarine,
first.
and tweet
We
I
about
can
think,
it, and after that we can start building.
yeah, or maybe we can build first as well. I mean, let's see what we're exactly building, and then we can build a post on that, right? Because let's see what features we're adding to the game. So yeah, I will always think from a game designer's point of view now.
So let's do one thing. We can start building the game. The game will take some time to render anyways, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
and we
while the
can.
game renders, we'll make a post. We'll let Ludix AI and Noah do its magic while we let the audience know what we are building. So does that sound good?
All good to me.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think
that's good.
that's yeah.
I think I've shared my screen. Let me know if it's visible to you guys.
Currently,
Not,
no. Now it
It
yes,
is
is.
now, right?
Yeah.
yes.
So what I was thinking is we could go in a phase-wise manner wherein I have some idea of how my game should look like, feel like, how the leaderboard should be like. So I'll generate a prompt out of it from ChatGPT that I can then feed into Ludex AI. And once that prompt is into Ludex AI, it'll automatically start generating the actual bulk of the game, which is the code of the game, how the game is going to look, how
Yeah,
the players will interact with it. And while that code is getting generated, we'll let the users know how they
yeah.
can
We
help
can
us
we can
out
do that.
here. So I'll start with something basic, a little background of what we are looking at.
Yep. Then also for all the viewers who are watching, I think this is key that Noel came up with. I think he's a developer himself, so he understands. But like that's what I try to like tell all the Noah builders out there as well is that we're just starting out vibe coding. You know, it's or if it's their first time vibe coding. So what we understand or what I understood as well of my 1 year of experience as a vibe coder is that it's better not to really chat with the AI telling what you need on the go with like one line commands, but provided with like well described prompts. Think of it as in a format of Jira tasks for devs with precise requirements and acceptance criteria. Otherwise, what happens is, like, we see a lot of times that the AI will be acting as a human and will be making up things when
So
there's some missing spots and room for, like, misinterpretation as well. So this is, I think, key. You can always utilize chat gpt. It's free of cost as well.
I also think since Noel is actually, this is the first time he's trying to build a game. Noel, I think it'll be better if you just go on Noah AI and you let us do the magic, right? For the first time. This is, I think, what I was talking about initially was, right?
Can we do that?
AI-based games, right? I think what the funda I've cracked here since the last year and a half is that you're obviously the best way to actually build fully playable games is when you complement Ludex AI or no AI with another AI, but you have to train that AI to kind of understand what kind of language, simplicity of it, what format, what kind of details it requires. So what we've done in a partnership together is we've created this feature called enhanced prompt. Now this is something that's super super important for, I think, the web3 world to onboard web2 people, or for
Mm.
us to onboard people who are non-vibe coders or people who have no idea how to build apps or have even thought about it. So what you have to do, Noel, is just type something as simple as create a 3D fruit slicer game. Just consider Ludex AI as your friend. You're just talking to a buddy and you're telling them what to create, or like a consultant, and you're just leaving everything to them, right? You just have to make your ideas flow. You just have to write your ideas. The better you describe it, the better the game will be.
Do you want to
Um,
also add some elements to it, like the design?
so, as I said, we're going to start with a master prompt, which we'll get the first draft of a game.
Mhm.
Based on the first draft, we will add elements as micro prompts.
Okay.
So, what's important is the first prompt now. Noel, you're doing fine. Create a 3D fruit slicer game
Where there
where
are
different
different
fruits. Yeah. And
of the
yeah,
sizes and anything else that you want to
just
add,
you could say
and obstacles or bombs that drop in with the fruits.
yeah, you can see that. And towards the end, just this is something's like a little hack that works a lot of times. Once this sentence is done, you can just tell Ludex to add a modern, clean, and premium UI to it.
Oh yeah. Hmm.
This is kind of like a hack. It really makes a difference because it will transform your game, like aesthetically
Oh,
at least.
random idea that popped up in my head: fruit slicer with NFT drops. And you're slicing through the NFT packs, and if you
Yeah,
cut through one, you get an NFT through it.
yeah, that
Oh,
actually is a good idea. I think Saeed, we should build this after this, and we can maybe
Next week we'll build this 100%.
actually we should write this down. We're actually doing this. I'm liking this. If we can
that's
somehow
interesting.
like, if we can on the back end somehow play around with the on-chain mechanics, I think
We can.
this could be
Yes.
a hit, right?
Yeah.
Uh, I think even like prediction market games. I think earlier a lot of people were dwelling into Kalshi or Polymarket and
Stock
stuff. I
market.
think you can create a game where you can just have these micro bets, right? And like you can make money directly.
Yep. Yep.
Also, Noel, I mean that the main thing with this is you have to be very simplistic. Now you wait for Noah or Ludex AI to work its magic. So do you see the enhance prompt button right next to, yeah?
I do.
So let me
Do you
just
want me to
read.
add the UI bits
Yes,
to make
yes.
it?
That's a good hack. That's definitely a good hack. So you can say, make sure to give the game a clean, modern, and premium UI. And premium UI. These, there are some, there's some like keywords that work really well with AI. Like,
So should
uh,
we try enhancing this prompt?
yes. Now you can go ahead. So now, essentially, what you think about is you've just given a very basic idea of the game. You haven't really described it well, but we basically take care of what exactly your game needs on the back end, and we enhance the prompt for you.
Should we
So
look
now,
at what the prompt enhancer has done to my very basic, very vague prompt in terms of how it is taken
Yeah,
that and modified it.
you can
Our
just like
Web3 based
scroll
3D
down as
fruit
well.
slicing game where players slice falling fruits while avoiding bombs with special powers, power ups, and a premium UI. Core features slice fruits to score points, avoid bombs to prevent losing lives, implement special fruits for power ups, time freeze double points, implement a clean modern UI.
So
Visual
it'll basically
references,
add like, yeah, it'll make your
correct.
game pretty end to end, right? Like it'll give at least a basic first instruction to make the game end to end, and then obviously we keep building on that. We keep building on that. Some of the games that our early creators have created, it's taken them 15 to 20 prompts. There have been times when they've arrived at the result, but there were glitches. So they had to use more prompts, but they were able to arrive at a finished article towards the end, and that's the goal, right?
Which is
It's not
common,
that you
right?
counter errors. Yeah,
It's
and now
like
you can
talking to a developer, the developer develops something, maybe he misses something, then you ask the developer to develop something else, and then that cycle goes and you get something very refined, very polished, something that you've been looking for, which is, I think, perfect in that regard.
yeah, it's important to have a infrastructure which keeps letting you test and arrive at the finished product, and I think that's where we're very different. But anyway, you can I think you can click enter and let uh, Noah and Ludex work its magic for you.
We'll do that, and till the time being, we'll also go to Cyrene and
I think Noel, before you obviously post a game, you have to kind of think from a game developer's point of view, right? What's the name of the game? What's the theme, right?
hmm,
How are you gonna hook people in? What's so special about this twist, right? So even if there's something not too special, we can still make it out to be on
no,
social media.
there actually is, right? So
Yeah,
if you
you
think
have
of games like Ludo, they've been classics for a very long time and people still enjoy them.
yeah,
And the twist is just that they get to compete in a way wherein it's rewarding. And this
yeah.
is what I want to bring to this game as well, wherein they can compete in a way which is rewarding. So most games you play, you can only get brownie points for. You can only boast about winning or losing via the score you see, but there's no actual reward at the end of it. But with this game, you'll actually get tokens for, let's say, we have fruit tokens that you can get at the end of the week if you're at the top of the leaderboard and things like that. So you have an incentive to keep on coming here, playing,
Yeah.
see how the new levels are, see how the game is evolving. So we grow with the users. That I think is a good enough hook for keeping the users engaged. If correct me if you want to
100%.
add something,
100%. I think the onus is completely on the creator, right? Like, if you develop a game which is viral, you won't need to market it too much,
right?
right? Like, Flappy Birds did not need a lot of marketing. People were just playing word of mouth or like, and how easy it is to download and play that game. You don't need any kind of like uh, system like a PC to like play that game. It's simple on your mobile. So these are the kind of games that we're also targeting, because I think 60 to 65% of the gaming market is essentially casual, gamers.
Correct.
Uh, and yeah, I think our main goal here is to convert players to creators as well, right? We are also a platform where you build games. We're also a platform where you discover fun games to play, and yeah, and the journey that a user can have from building to monetizing it. We want all the players to also see it. We want all the people who are not into gaming also to see it. And I think with the tool that we're building, um, we can definitely, I think if we have luck on our side, we can, this could be the AI version of Roblox at some point.
Which is the first thing I thought about actually. That
Yeah,
this can be AI version of Roblox, it can be an AI version of Minecraft. When people have so many mini games inside it, they have like Skyblocks is a great game inside Minecraft. So people
Mhm.
can take this as the building block and then build so much on top of it that it's literally ludicrous, like
Yeah.
Ludex. But anyways, but
No,
yeah,
for sure.
makes complete sense on how creative freedom can help achieve so many things in that regard. Should we
100%.
think of a name for this game? I'll connect to.
Yeah, I think by the time this is happening, you can. I think Ashish can help you set up your account on Cyrene.
Ashish, is this good?
Ashish, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, can you just click on the verify button? On the top,
So
on
we
the
are
nav
here.
bar. On the navigation bar, there is a verify button. On the
Okay.
verify. Yes. Just click on that. Approve. Okay. Now you can add the project details over here. Scroll down.
Well, here.
Yeah.
I was thinking of
Yeah, you can.
It's good.
We can write. We can create a token called slice for it also. That works.
Slice square.
Slice it, nice. And you can just write top three players at the end of the week get rewarded.
should we call it slice coins?
Yeah, and I mean just separate. Yeah, you can like put a dollar
Just
sign.
slice. Just slice.
Or,
Slice coin is not required.
yeah, dollar sign लगा हुआ पीछे
In the first.
and
In the first. In the first.
Okay.
all these letters will be capital. Slice. Yeah, that's it. I think this is a good enough definition.
Yeah. Scroll down.
Yep.
I
I have to market my game,
think
right?
now you can
So I'm
also
not
auto
leaving
generate a
any
logo.
chance.
I think more than this, I think it's I think X would be better to market on. But yeah, it's good to have like a simple bio, and I think you've done that well.
We'll obviously put it on X as well.
Yeah, once the game is done, I think we'll push it on X then, and we'll show you how game developers will be doing this in the future as well.
Oh, nice. A bunch of
That looks
fruits.
cool.
But I don't think this is okay. Bunch of fruits. This
A
is
bunch of
good.
fruits and people fighting to get those fruits. Can you see?
Yep.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks good. I think
Looks
you can.
interesting for the first draft.
100% looks good, man.
We'll select today as the date.
I mean, this is optional. You don't really have to select it, but
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Everything here is
And you can
optional.
add your details there.
you can add your
No,
X
yeah,
URL.
everything. Yeah, you can add your X URL. You can add the GitHub details.
I will do that.
Just go on your profile and just copy the URL. It's above, under preview.
With that. Instagram, LinkedIn.
I think all this is fine. I think X would be
I think
great.
you
X is
can,
good enough. Yeah.
I think it will be good. Yeah. And below that, you can also add the developer detail. Add a team member. Add a team member.
I'll add my wallet address here. Okay, should I do that one soon? I
Yeah,
think that
wallet.
should be okay.
Yeah, as long as it's not private keys. So just yeah. Yep.
And this is all right. XURL. I'll copy this from the top.
Yeah. In the meanwhile, can you also
Add
check what's
member.
happening on Dex? Has it built the game yet? Yeah, just click on it once. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, can you click on the icon on the bottom right?
this one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Click on it.
Oh, nice.
Start game. We have a first draft. Now, this is what I was talking to you about. That the first prompt must be really strong, detailed. That's how you arrive at the first good draft, and then you can start building. Now, do you see the fruits aren't coming? That's completely
Correct.
normal. There's some sort of like code in the error in the code. So what we're going to do is, I told you, Noel, you're going to treat LudexAI like your friend. So tell LudexAI now that the game starts, but the fruits don't come up. Can you fix that? And if you see there's anything else you want to add to the game, we can keep doing that. It's super simple now. Once the first draft is built, you can change any element you want. But I think the menu also looks pretty good. Perfect. And I think now
Looks
you can
good.
go back to Cyrene and till this happens. Nice.
Yes.
That's good.
Add member.
Add member.
Add.
Click-
Yeah, and register the project.
Nice.
Register the project. Yes.
Good project.
Yes. So your project is
Nice.
live on CyreneAI.
Amazing.
Now people can see your project and keep on engaging. So until the loaded draft is getting, you can copy the URL and you can make a tweet that you are making Fruit Ninja quickly. Uh,
Copy
slice it
URL
game.
for the project.
Yeah,
Ashish, I
from
think that
yes,
you want to
you can make
copy
a.
this one, or you want to copy the one that comes for the game URL once he publishes that.
Okay, we can. I was thinking like we can say that we are building the game now, and as soon as the game has been completed, we can do that. But if we are focusing only one tweet, then okay, we will wait for the game to come in.
I
Then we
think
can post that.
he's got like I think a new account, right? On
Yes, yes, yes.
X. So I think for the engagement part also, I think we need something which is a banger, right? Like
Yeah,
rather than
true,
twice,
true.
thrice. I think
Yeah,
it'll be better.
definitely.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think I'm flexible
No, no,
to
no.
that.
Your point is same. Yeah, your point is good.
No, makes sense. We can do a few tweets.
Okay.
Yeah, after
Go
Let's
down.
see what Noah has helped us
Can you just go
achieve.
down on the left side? I want to see. Okay, perfect, perfect. So you can see what all it has fixed, and
Interesting.
cool. Now you can play, and also on the left, yeah, the play button. Sorry, yeah, and refresh right under it first. Yes, refresh, perfect, and now start. Can you refresh again? Okay, I think there's some issue. So what we can do is again we can tell
Yeah. What we'll do
Ludex,
is we'll frame it differently.
just say that the issue is still not fixed, and the issue of fruits not appearing is still not fixed. Can you check this and make the game playable? Yep. Sometimes these things happen. It will
Yeah, of course.
design things really well, but there's some like error in the code, sort of
It's
find
bound to
it.
happen. Yeah.
But yeah, it's important to have a system where you can keep reiterating.
It makes complete sense. This only helps us think a little more in terms of what we actually want to achieve too.
Yep,
And this is
yep,
just like a bug that comes in our development process as well, right?
right.
We, I am talking from a very Web2 context. Correct me or uh, let me know your experiences as well. Whenever we develop something, we sometimes feel like we have built the product like, perfectly well, but there's this one uh, thing that you missed in your code. There's this one loop you have missed in your code, one
Mm,
variable name that is incorrect, something as small as that, and the game just does not start, or the thing you've
yeah,
developed is just does not work. So those things
exactly.
can happen with AI as well.
100%. I think initially, just individuals writing thousands of lines of code, that scares me. That
Hmm.
actually scares the shit out of me. And I'm someone who comes from a non-technical background, and that was part of the motivation why we built LootXAI. That someone passionate about gaming as me, can come build games, make money from it, right? So yeah, I think definitely what AI is doing is taking the barrier down, but also
Hmm.
solving a lot of like efficiency related problems. um, so yeah, good time to be a developer, because I feel like technical people envision things very differently to us. I mean, I
Hmm.
would say for non-technical people. And I think given these kind of infrastructure tools, I think yeah, it will really like ramp up time to product delivery, and quite so many different things. It's going to change the world.
Someone coming from a technical background, the biggest roadblock is in setting up a new project or building something new is actually starting up. It's the
Yep.
initial files, it's setting up of the environment. So someone who's non-technical, it's a very hurdle for them to grow from nothing to actually having just started the project. This is way beyond starting. This is having a starter code, having graphics on top of it, and having something to play eventually, which is way beyond starter. So you get to do that in 10 minutes, which is absurd in my understanding, because in a traditional context, just to start your file, you will take a few hours. So this does
Yeah.
all of that and then helps you build something on top of it, which feels like cheating in a way because you're doing so much work so fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a
100%,
good
man.
check.
I feel it's such a new world for like us non-technical people, because now, I
Mhm.
mean, honestly, I had never seen so many lines of code till uh, I actually like sat with my developer friends, and it's just too much, man. It's just too much. And yeah, I think given your experiences as well, things are going to change. Non-technical people are going to get chance to create their game. Yeah, just refresh that. Perfect. I hope it should work now. It's
Oh,
yep.
here you go.
So now you can see, nice, it's slicing well. Slice it like fast. Yep.
Oh, nice.
So you've got like some rewards, also double points. You've got some small animations, and I think now you have bombs, right? Like,
Hmm.
cool, awesome. So it's working well. The only thing now is in terms of the logic, Noel. You see that you're not slicing through all the fruits, and your lives aren't going down. Game should be over by now, right? So we can fix this too with
Oh,
Lud.
we got a every time we hit a bomb, the life goes. We see that.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I see it. I see it now.
So
But
that was a, I think, logic behind. We can set a timer for the game. Can we try and do that?
we
Like
can
the
set a
game.
time of the game. What we can do is, uh, I mean, how do you want to do it? I mean, honestly, you get full freedom as a creator. What do you want to do with this game? We can make it exactly like Fruit Ninja, but we can also make it a little different. So,
Mhm.
oh, so in Fruit Ninja as well, Noel. Normally, if you don't slice one fruit, one of your life goes, right? And if you don't slice three fruits,
Oh.
then you basically game is over. But this is a little different. So what we can do is we can have a timer. How many fruits are you slicing in 30 seconds?
Mhm.
Look, it
Oh,
has
this
time.
works amazingly well. It's
Yeah.
freezing my
Yeah.
fruits. I'm
And this is just with two prompts, right? Like one prompt and
correct.
one fixed prompt. like nothing else. It was so easy.
I want to play around a little. Let's do this.
100%,
Uh,
100%. It's your game, man. You're the creator. We're just providing you the
mhm,
tool to build your idea. So what I would say is uh, you need to specify a little more, like change the colors of fruits and rewards, but to what, you know?
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Uh, or you could say something like give it premium colors or give it but I think the shaders are working pretty well right now. Or you
What
can
we can
also
do is change the size of the fruits,
maybe you
make
can say
them.
some of the
Uh,
fruits, maybe you can go into specifics and maybe you can say make the banana bigger. Yeah, just an option, but like do what you
mhm.
envision it to be.
I'll let's try increasing the size of the fruits in general.
Yep, yep, yep.
And every time I get a high score, say congratulations, you are one step
Close.
closer to the reward this week.
Yep, yep,
So it keeps the people excited.
yep.
They know what's coming in, what they are playing for. Let's see if we can help make something like this.
Yep, yep. I would say two things that we can add now. Like you're a Web 2 guy, but we're introducing you to the Web 3 world, and what we can do is now the reward could be the slice token, right? That you launch for
Mhm.
this game after we're done with this. Um, so I would say mention the word slice with that, like the token slice on your main menu or something. Or just add
Mhm.
tell LudexAI to add a small section or a small box where it says where it specifies you can win a weekly reward of slice tokens or something. You can basically you can market this the way you have options to put elements on the game as well.
Let's do one thing. On the starter page, on the right hand side, we'll add a small section.
Yeah, you can also add a leaderboard. I think that's what you'll need in order to reward those top three people at the end of the
Hmm.
week with slice tokens, right?
On the right hand side, we'll add a leaderboard. On
Yep.
the left hand side, we'll add instructions.
Perfect, perfect. Now you're thinking from a game developer's point of view. Okay, on the right side of the game you can say add leaderboard, add a live leaderboard. I'm just telling you some words that will make this work really well for you. Add a live leaderboard which tracks player scores. Before game starts, add a add a form to take player name,
Makes more sense.
because that will basically then link it to the leaderboard. And then once you launch the game, if Ashish is playing it, he can just when he starts the game he can type his name Ashish. Whatever score he has, it'll be tracked live. So you will be able to see the leaderboard, who the top three scorers
Makes
are,
sense.
who the top three players are. Based on end of the week, let's say like you announce this today on X that like this is our game. We launched a token. We're going to be doing buybacks to maintain the health of the token, and by the end of 7 days on a specific date, this time we will end this competition, and whoever the top three players are will get X amount of slice tokens.
Can
Perfect.
do
That's
that.
how you create a game and an in-game economy itself, right? And with CyreneAI, you will be able to generate a lot of creative fee as well that you will be able to buy back into the game. So you're essentially like raising capital and providing back your game.
Makes sense. I'm just typing in the prompt while you speak.
Yeah, yeah, it looks good, man. This is the life of a vibe coder. You do two, three things at the same time. For me, it's usually like I put on The Office on Netflix, but I don't watch it. I'll put it like it'll be on a separate tab. I can hear everything, and I've seen it so many times now that I remember what's exactly happening, what the visuals are. So I'll put Netflix on. I will be vibe coding. I will also be eating something. It's like multitasking, but it's so much fun, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
and I just got lost in the prompt so much that it's so fun to doodle around with.
yeah,
It's like when you were younger, you used to just draw, sketch, 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 and you would be just doing that for hours. Now that you're a little older, you want to do this. You just want to type, 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 and see. Oh, I want to do this. I want to change this. I want to change that. It's like you're
you
making
become a kid.
something of your own. Yeah, you become a kid in some sense.
It's
So,
crazy because the same thing
mhm,
happened with me and like even our early testers. They're the people who are 35, 40, 45. These are people that felt like kids while building these games that you can see on a website.
mhm.
And I think that's the beauty of it, right? Like, who are the people who are making money on Roblox? It's game studios and kids,
Yeah,
right? Like, and I think kids probably are our best customers if you think about it.
exactly.
And they are for Roblox as well. But yeah, of course, yeah. The beauty of the product again is that it, instills that childhood feeling of nostalgia, of the games that you've played before, of being having the ability to actually make any kind of changes in it. Um, so yeah,
It also gives
again, what
you
I
an
said.
unfair advantage in some sense, right?
I think it's completely fair. I think the world that we live in now, I think people are leveraging AI to, yeah, enable cloud, to build, awesome things. And I think, uh,
No, unfair in the sense that the people who are not using it are losing out a
yeah,
lot. So
yeah,
the people that are
100%.
using it are actually on a have a lot of advantage in terms of just starting things up. If let's say you are a game developer, you have some ideas in mind wherein you want to publish the smallest of the things that you have in your head, right? And you don't want to sit for hours just for that visualization to come to reality. This is a
Yeah,
great platform to just type things out, see what is coming out, see how you can tweak the game mechanics, see how you can tweak the game
yeah.
in
And
terms of how it looks.
I
And
feel
yeah,
you
Mhm.
I think you really like summed it up really well. I think for like even advanced coders, right? Even advanced game developers, when they're using platform like AI, they can actually test stuff out really well. Prototyping, that's so easy to do now, and that's the first step towards any kind of like business or startup or like any idea that you have. Even the first prompt that you typed out, Noel, was actually a prototype. That's why I keep
Right.
saying the first draft, the first prototype. Once you have that ready, then we keep reiterating, we keep adding more things like you are right now, right?
Mhm.
Easy, and that's how you go from baby steps to from idea from scratch to having a finished product, and then the game starts then, right? That
Mhm.
we launch token for it, we market it. You as a creator have the entire onus to take this to the next level. When I mean, either you create a game which just has viral capability,
Mhm.
like it has the potential to go viral once people play it, which was the exact case with like Angry Birds or Flappy Birds.
Mhm.
Or you're someone who's a genius marketer, you create a very basic product and you just know how to like leverage communities and users and people, or you're someone who's already a creator before. So this product, if you think about it, is for everyone out there, right? Essentially you're gamifying anything. If you look at a meme coin community, right?
Mhm.
Now people say meme coins are dead, some people say meme coins help people in the trenches when it comes to the web3 world. But for us, meme coins are bread and butter, if you think about it, because
Mhm.
these are communities where they have users who are essentially just looking at price charts 24/7. They
Mhm.
don't have anything extra to do because meme coins don't really have utility, right? What we're doing with Ludexia is we are gamifying their meme characters. We can run hackathons with them, we can run events with them, where we can ask users of a community of a meme coin to actually like create multiple games, drive engagement. Imagine you create something so viral with the Pepe character,
Mhm.
right? That's driving engagement for Pepe, even though you've created it. So imagine a
And
community.
that's basically IP
Yeah, yeah,
that you
you can.
can run with, work with. Makes
Yep.
sense.
So lots of work is going on at the same time, and yeah, I think we have this should be ready. I would say click on play and refresh, and then let's see if these changes have taken place. It says it's integrated the leaderboard. It should have the
It's also
instructions.
checking for errors. Yeah, amazing. It's
Yeah.
here.
Refresh. Perfect.
Oh, too good.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah. So now you can enter your name. Start. Perfect. You have your game ready, my friend.
It's too good. Now I'll take some time away from talking and actually playing.
Yeah, of course. Ashish, are you seeing this? This is good stuff. So yeah, I mean, what makes us different from our other AI tools out there is that we can actually we can actually build games, right? We're not just marketing our product out there. We may not have the capital to scale at the moment, but yeah, we have a very very heavy product. I think
Mhm.
it works. It works better than there's anything out there right now.
It works
And
very
this
well.
is for games. Yeah. So anyway, I think what we can do is, Noel, I think the game is ready for launch.
We can actually launch it.
Yeah. So what we can do is click on publish. It's super easy to launch games on Ludex AI, by the way. Instantly, you can start hosting it. Perfect. See top right,
I'll
top right
publish
publish.
this.
Yes. Go
Oh, I'm
ahead.
on the top of the leaderboard. Amazing.
Yes.
Uh, so can we use
You're a
this?
bad developer. You've played your own game. You've come first in your. Uh, okay.
See,
Now
this
you.
is how things work, right? Shall I deploy?
Yeah. Click on deploy. So it should take about like a minute or two, and it should be live. Perfect. Can you copy that link and just open it in another tab, perhaps, and let's try it out. And can you send it to Ashish as well? And can you send the link to me and Ashish? What we
Oh,
can
of
do is
course.
we can show people that the leaderboard is working live as well.
Can I have access to the chat by any chance?
Oh, I'm not sure about that. I think Nirmal is handling that. But what we can do for now is, Noel, we can just start marketing this, right? Like let's make an announcement that your game is ready.
Let's do that.
Uh, Ashish,
Do
are
you
you
need
here?
anything?
Yes, I'm here.
So I think Noel, you can just show him the game, and then now we can Cyrene
Yeah, I
AI.
saw the game. I was always there. I saw the game.
Perfect, perfect. So we can see first price is 500 slice tokens, second price is 250 slice tokens, third is 100 slice tokens. Now we can change this later, obviously dependent on
Of
how
course.
much you want to give away
I
and
think
stuff.
now we can work on the tweet first, and then
So
we can launch on CyreneAI.
so the tweet will include the
The
CA as
same.
well.
Yes.
So we probably need to launch the token first, right?
And how do we
Okay.
generate that?
Yeah, just go to, yeah, just scroll down. There's a launch token. Yeah, click on that. Scroll down. Yes. Slice it. Yes. It's good.
Should we change it to slice?
Yes. Yeah, it's good. Scroll down. There is a first buy. Make it 0.15. Yeah. Scroll down. Migration code. Make it 51. Okay. Can you enable vesting?
Okay.
Yeah. Scroll down. Scroll up a little bit. Can you make the vesting 20? Supply to West. Supply to West.
Okay.
And cliff should be 1 hour. One. Remove 0.
Oh, I think that's how it works. Oh no, my bad.
Yeah. Rest of the things are good. Yeah. Scroll down. Save and launch. Yes.
It's good.
Yes. Confirm launch. Yes, approve.
This is good stuff. I think
Approve.
people should have a lot of visibility of how this ecosystem works, because it might look intimidating on the outside, but it felt intimidating to me when I started this. But as you go along, in 1 hour's time, I have done so much that I wouldn't have done if I weren't introduced to this.
Approve.
So big ups to both of you guys for helping me build this, work around this.
Of course, I think with what I think Ashish is also making you do, launching the token and like introducing you to the Web3 monetization part. It's super important. I mean, there's definitely a slight learning curve with the Web3 part, but if you can like understand that well, if you can understand how markets work, you can actually, as a creator, make fee and start putting that fee into making your game better, rewarding your
Click on
customers.
successful. Successful.
Perfect.
Click on successful. Successful.
Mm,
Precise.
Yeah, yeah. Just click on successful. You will get into the page where you can copy this link. Yeah. There is a CA written there. Just click on that. Yes. Copy. Not here. Can you close this? Make a code post. Close this.
so go on CyreneAI.
CyreneAI. Yeah, scroll down.
I code this.
Yeah, see, this is a post. Yeah, make a code. Yeah.
You can, I think,
I think you
uh,
should use Grok and create. You have already created it, so you can share. You have created a sliced game
Oh, I'll use Grok to create the this,
tweet.
and they'll add to.
Yeah.
you can even, I think, from last live stream, if you go on my profile, you can kind of like give Grok a reference of what kind of post you want. Like if you go on
Yeah.
my profile, just copy my post, recent post, and put it on Grok and tell it that this is your game and this is how you wanna tweak that.
Let's
Go
do
on the
that.
topmost on my profile, topmost.
This one, right?
No, the topmost. On my profile, can you go on Sudeep? Yeah. Sorry, yeah, Sudeep. I thought we were on Sudeep. Yeah, pinned profile. Yeah, pinned post. You can just copy this. Yeah. And you can ask Grok to maybe change the wording and dependent on your game as well, you can give it like a little description, whatever you want. You can say, yeah, I think it'll be fine. Just tell Grok that you've created a fruit
I'll
ninja
give it
clone
some context.
free twist. Yeah.
Uh,
Just say I've created a game called Slice It, and it's a fruit ninja clone with a Web3 twist. Right, I'm right from the point of view of someone who's in Web2 creating their app or game for the first time in Web3 using Ludex. Yeah.
let's do that. Let's see what we get.
I think we have to make this tweet very crisp. It has
We'll
been
ask it to make it.
project oriented. It was most oriented.
Um,
I think we can use some part of.
I'll send you something that you can post.
This looks good to me. We can modify
Yeah,
it, but
I think this is looking build slice it. Yeah, remove
I
hashtags.
will take this. Yeah. I, I'll copy it. I'll modify it on.
Yep. Click on post. Acha, you have to repost that.
Correct. So we will quote it.
Oh, you also don't have a premium, so you have to only use 300 characters.
Okay, we will do that.
I think you should change the first line because it's the same as me. You can say, I'll give you
No, no,
something.
this is the same prompt. This is the same. I think it didn't got copied.
Oh, okay. Okay. We will try something here. We try to copy it.
No, make it like a under 300 characters because you can't post beyond 300 characters. Just Noel, just scroll up. Give him the tweet also. Scroll up from slice it.
It
No,
should have context, right?
from yeah, from build slice it. Yeah, from build slice it. Yeah, no.
It's
I'll
248.
I'll send it to you. Hold on.
Should this not work?
Try it. I don't think.
Let's try.
Okay, I'm sending it to you. Cool. Ashish, I'm sending it to you on your TG.
Yeah.
Just send it to him.
Or quotes could be smaller than
On
300
this, you
words.
can so I've sent you something. On this, you can add the CA and you can tag CyreneAI, LootXAI, NoAI with a
Can do that.
line where you, yeah. I think Ashish will be sending it to you.
Actually, can you email it to me?
Yes, I'm doing the same.
Till then, do we want to play a little?
What? Sorry?
Just play the game, see how it works.
Yeah, of course. Please try it out. Oh, you want me to?
We can do that if I get access somehow to share.
I think Nirmal can.
Never, if you can help me share stuff on chat. Oh, I think I can hear. Do you guys have the link?
Yeah, I think I also got the link.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You send it on Telegram?
No, on the Meet chat. I can share you on the Telegram.
I think we can add a lot of different stuff also. I think after.
Yeah, so that now that we know that the blue balls are the ones that are giving me energy, the ones that are glowing.
You can add basically power
I
ups.
can, yeah, I can change the colors for those. I can change the power ups I get because the only two that I've added are time freeze and double the points, right? So
Yep.
there's a lot to do there. Like you guys were talking about NFT drops that people can just
Yeah.
cut through. That is also
That
interesting.
would be cool thing. Yeah, that would be cool thing to add.
See, now it
Yeah.
says I am one step closer to the weekly reward. Keeps me motivated.
I think Ashish, you can send him this latest thing I've just sent you. I think this
Yes,
makes
I
sense.
have already sent it. I have already sent it.
I've sent you another one also. I think this is better. It will hit the spot for him. Noel, just wait for the new post. We can try
Let's
that.
do
I think
that.
that
Let's do
that's
that.
a little better than this one, and you can add your CA to it as well.
Can
CA
do.
is the contact address of this token that you've just created, and
Mhm.
I think once it migrates, you will get some creative fee that you can use to make buybacks into the game.
Yeah. And you can also
Leaderboard
do the
also looks
props.
nice.
Yep,
You can
yep,
also
yep.
do some props. Yeah, no, I have already sent you. Can you check? And just make the post live fast.
Yeah, I've got it. I think it is slightly longer.
Yeah, we can add something on the next tweet also. You
Yeah,
can
like this.
create a
Yeah,
thread. The
there's a
last of the
plus.
part you can,
Yeah, there's a
I'll
plus
take this
icon.
off.
yeah, cut it and add it on the next tweet. Yeah.
I'll
Just go down. Go down.
Scroll down.
Scroll
There is
down.
a plus button. There is a plus button. There will be a
Bottom
plus
right.
button.
Yeah.
this
Yep, and go down and post paste this one. This
Yeah.
will basically appear in your comments. It's like a multi-thread post.
can do.
So,
So I'll add this.
And here you can also add the game link that we just so people can also play a game.
yeah, play it now or something. You can just refine this, just format this well.
Mhm.
This is looking good. Yeah. You can remove add Web3 where it makes. Yeah, actually, this is fine because you added Web3 where it actually makes sense here. We haven't like. Yeah, you're just rewarding people tokens for playing the game towards the end of the week. Perfect.
So people on the stream
Scroll
can
up.
also play with us. I'll add a CA here.
Yeah. After the yeah, just remove all the spaces.
Yeah, just
Make the
format
lines.
it a little better.
Yeah, format it
Mhm.
better. Yeah,
Just
add
make
the space after you
top
build.
pane first.
There is a no, not here. On the top after you started. Scroll up. Yeah,
Yeah,
remove one space
can.
here.
And
Yeah.
at the bottom also you can remove the spaces. Yeah.
At the
No, the bottom
bottom,
space
what we can do
automatically
is,
get removed. Automatically get removed.
yeah, what we'll do is I'll add a CA
CA.
here.
No, CA
Yeah.
it won't look like nice on the bottom. You should add it on the top.
On
After the
right
Okay.
Ludex
under the
AI.
first
After the
line.
Ludex AI. Yeah. After the Ludex. Yeah. CA.
And you can tag
Colon.
Cyrene and Noah also.
I
Yeah.
will do that.
Yeah. Perfect.
I think you have to also on-chain gameplay. Remove this on-chain gameplay.
Yeah, yeah. Yep. Yep. Perfect.
What we'll do is we'll remove
Just
these.
remove हटा दो. हाँ. Let the
Ah,
hyphen be there. Remove and maybe one more. एक और space.
done. We'll post this,
Just
and in
also
the
tag.
comments
Just
below,
tag
You need to tag
I'll tag Cyrene.
Cyrene and Noah also. Build.
You can just say now we're raising funds on CyreneAI for Slice It.
Yeah, build and shipped. Ideate, build and shipped on Try Noah and raising from Cyrene.
Just remove this line. This was possible. Just say built and shipped on Noah AI.
And Ludex AI, both you
दोनों
add both and now raising from Cyrene.
built
Build.
Yep, perfect. Built and shipped on No AI and Ludex AI. दोनों को टैग कर दो एंड मत देखो.
Mhm.
Yep. And now raising funds on Cyrene
Cyrene.
AI. One
Uh,
quick space.
that this looks good.
Yep, yep. I
We'll
think
go ahead
this.
with this.
Yes, this is looking good.
Yep, perfect. I think you can, Ashish, you can post this now. I think
Yes,
it's
this is looking good. Oh, there is only one character. You have to remove one character from somewhere.
नीचे से कर
Oh,
दो.
I think space. I think space. No, it's on the top. The space. The bottom.
Yeah,
No,
I
no.
think that space is.
Uh,
इसके नीचे.
This should be good,
Next
right?
sentence में. इसके नीचे next sentence में. हाँ हो.
yeah.
I think this should be fine. Yeah,
Yeah, now
perfect.
this should be fine. Yeah.
Great.
Looks good.
This looks
Wow.
good.
Awesome, Noel. I think you successfully built a game within an hour. You have
Right.
launched the game with a live leaderboard and reward system tied to it.
Ashish, do
And
you want to try and pay it?
sorry,
I was asking if Ashish wants to try and pay it.
I think we're both gonna try it out after the call for
Yes.
sure. I'm gonna
Yeah, we
share it.
should. We should after. Yeah.
I think this honestly, like, this is probably one of the best games and the quickest, efficient games we've built in such less
Mhm.
time on a live stream. So I think this is huge for us as well.
Correct. Wouldn't have
Which
been possible without you guys. So
So, but before the live stream is getting ended, the one important thing, how much fund has been raised till now and how this is moving forward. So we also have to see that. So,
Ashish, do you want to share your screen?
no. You go to CyreneAI website.
Mm-hmm. I'm here.
Okay, scroll up. Yeah, profile. Go to your profile, my profile. Yes, scroll down. Tokens, scroll down. Claim creator fee. So till now, zero point 0.9 Sol has already been created. Claim the creator fee.
that's almost $100.
Oh, nice.
And I think once you hit migration, you'll make a lot of creative fee from this, and which you can
Yeah.
basically put back into the game. I
Yes.
think
Of
Ashish
course.
will guide you with that, the Web3
Yes.
mechanics behind it.
And that's it. So in this way, like Noel has just tried to build a nostalgic game that he believed that has a lot of nostalgic value for all the people, and he made 100 bucks in 1 hour. So in this way, people can also anybody can build a game that they believe has value to them and then come on CyreneAI platform and raise. In this way, we are creating an economy for builders to build, ship, and to raise capital so that they can scale. So Noel can use this 100 bucks to refine this game, do more marketing activity, and also to reward some of the users.
Yep.
And the race has just started,
Which
so there is more and more people investing in. So stay tuned for upcoming updates.
Yep. I think,
stay
well,
tuned for how the game goes, what we'll be doing with it,
so I mean,
how I'll be using the AI here to help build more stuff on top of it.
what you can do as a
Lots to
game
come.
developer now is that every day you can maybe like this week, maybe midweek, you can try tweaking the game up a little bit and maybe add more upgrades onto it. Once you do, think from a game developer's point of view, you want to push it out. You want to tell the public that yo, like this is my game. This was like this. We wipe coded this in literally like half an hour, 45 minutes last week. This is the progress we've made, and now I've added this feature, X feature, Y feature, and the onus is again on you to keep pushing this out.
Makes sense.
But if you think from like someone who already has a community, right? They build a game like this with their IP,
Mhm.
they can make so much money so easily.
Definitely.
So that's yeah. We just showed how someone who's getting onboarded into Web3 world, someone who does not have a lot of idea of the Web3 world, how easy it is for them to also, firstly with the help of AI, build the game and then host it and then simply raise funds on it and actually monetize that via Web3. And this is just one part of monetization. I mean, there's so many engines that personally Ludex AI has been working on. So yeah, this is just one way to make money from this.
Definitely.
Which is amazing. And this encourages developers a lot when the reward system is so quick. So kudos to CyreneAI for setting all of this up,
And
helping us
one thing I've
in this
also
regard.
wanted to
Yeah.
add here is like this is not like a one-time reward. So this constantly reward developer to constantly build this. So as Noel just got in few minutes $100, but that is not the end. If Noel is continuously building on this on the top of this, people will utilize more token. There will be more trading happening. So Noel will be able to raise more money to in the creator fee. In this way, builders are getting supported by the community who is playing the game, and this is creating a very healthy economy where there are users who is believing and they are paying for the game, and there are builders who are getting supported by the community. So there is a great flywheel created for all the builders to get supported.
Yep.
Perfect.
Agreed. And yeah, Noel, I mean, hit me up after this, man. We'll keep helping you through like making your game better and better, and let's actually like take this to the next level.
Yeah, yeah. Let's stay in touch. Let's keep on iterating on this.
Yep,
See where we can go.
100%.
Great. So I think we can call it for a day. So thanks, guys, for joining in and keep supporting Noel. He has made a game that is already live. Go and play that game and support Noel in terms of funds also. If you believe that this game can go viral, so stay tuned, guys, until the next Builders Bootcamp powered by Noah AI and Ludex AI. I am Ashish signing off for today. See you guys.
Yeah,
Happy weekend.
yeah. Thank you for having me.